What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a new education on your LinkedIn profile. This is very easy to do. All you have to do this is simply click your profile on the upper left hand side, tap on anywhere there on your name, somewhere there, and it's going to take you over to your profile. Now to add this new education, you can easily scroll down on this page and you'll see an education section. Now you can tap on the add education and you'll be able to quickly add that in. So let's go ahead and do this. Add education here. You can simple type university. I'm going to just choose something here. This is for tutorial purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and choose anything there just for the purpose, and then just go ahead. Once you can add a start date as well. So you can add, I don't know, let's put this back into 2021, and let's say the end time, I'm going to just say 2025 and just say May. Click and set. Let's say that's it. Great. I'm gonna just leave that out for now. Just simple tap and save. And once you add that in, guys, you will see that it's now added to your account. So let me go back to my account, and as you can see under the education section, it is added there under my profile. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. You can add in an education on your LinkedIn profile. And at any point in time you want to add additional one, you just need to go to your profile as I showed you. Let me show you again. Tap your profile on the upper left hand side, and then from here tap your name. It's going to take you over to your profile. Scroll down to the education side, and now from here you can add a plus there. Click by clicking there, and you can just fill in whatever you want. Let's add in another one here. We're going to tap something here. Let's fill in something here, and click save. And that's it. You will see that it is added to my account. I'm going to skip that for the time being, and you will see right now that it's added. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.